You know, it's crazy how things work because just yesterday, I was talking to someone in the inbox, and it stimulated a thought on how I go so many different places and see so many different things, but not everything is supposed to go on video. You know, not everything is supposed to be shared. And then just like that, you know, I find myself in one of those situations, you know, where I've been out here like a short time, but the things that I've seen in such a short time is like is crazy, you know, because at the same time, last night, Spirit moved me and I made a post on how we're all connected because we come from the same source. And then, you know, in the situation I'm over here where I see people, you know, that are like really having it hard, you know, really hard, you know, and that statement just rang through that I just made, you know. So yeah, it's rough. I'm out here in Philadelphia, you know, I guess out here is known like as the Badlands. And yeah, it's pretty bad out here. And what makes it even worse is today is it's a rainy day, you know, and just to see people with no place to go, just out in the rain like this, it's tough, you know, if you're not used to it. And I think that's the problem too, you know, if you're from the area, you are used to it and you just ignore it. But I don't think it's something that should be ignored, you know. But I guess in my own small way, I have to find a way that I can make a difference. You know, it's like I've been down this road one time before. I made a video about it before on how we were renovating buildings in a very tough neighborhood, and then we would provide housing to the homeless. And that pretty much came from you know, a mentor, business partner, good friend of mine. You know, he's actually 22 years my senior, you know, so a lot of things that he would tell me is because he traveled certain roads already, you know. So now I feel that I'm at that point again where I want to do something. You know, what really made me stop is that there was some people that pulled over that was giving out food and stuff, and so I stopped to speak to the woman, whatever, and just to find out, was this like a organization or church or something that was giving the food out, you know. So that was the only little glimmer of hope that I saw out here. But yeah, like I always say, things change for the positive just like that. You know, it's small shifts. It's like the same thing when the clock gets to 12 and then it's going in the opposite direction. So I'm a firm believer of that, and this is what I'm going to focus on. And pretty much that's it. And this is exactly what I said before. You know, if I was looking for views and stuff, the things that I just saw out here, you know, would be so easy to film, you know. But I like when I look back at a video, it brings a smile on my face. You know, I like to photograph and make videos of things I want to remember. You know, certain things, even though we can't forget them, you know, because they're like etched in our brain and stuff. After we see them, we can't unsee them. But to make a video of it is just exploiting the situation. You know, I'm purposely actually holding the camera where you can just see half of my face, because I'm trying not to bring people into the frame as I walk. So I just wanted to share this thought. You know, this is another one of these videos that I may never do anything with it, but I'm out here by myself, and I just wanted to talk to you. You is whoever's gonna look at this video if I decide to release it. Anyway, take care and make it a great day.